So we are staying just here in a Hotel Phoenix. The first thing of interest is this mosque over here. It's featured in Gua Musang as a bit of a special mosque. Has a replica of Mecca in the mosque. It's quite interesting. That was actually the young lad that showed me the photo. He said, you know, you should visit this beautiful mosque. I said to Michelle, well, we'd be silly not to, but Michelle's gone and put some long trousers on, even though it's super hot. Okay, we're back out on the road. Oh, you're on the path. Michelle's so sensible. Why are you so sensible and I'm so stupid? Don't answer that. It's always nice when locals tell us, you know, oh, you should really check out this mosque or this building. People generally won't ask you to go and visit something unless they find it particularly special. Well, here it is. Now, he did promise me that I might be, well, he didn't promise me I might, he did promise me I could go in and film, but then he's only a young lad. How would he know? We'll probably have to ask the imam, because there's rules. There's usually entrances, an entrance for men and an entrance for ladies. And we are getting close to sunset. Inside or here?
Inside.
Inside,
yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you. So that'll be the men's prayer room, I think. Okay. So it's got a sort of replica of Mecca in the center. Am I correct? I did wonder what the rules were, and so I've decided not to go and walk over. Monica. Hello, man. How are you? Oh, it's beautiful. Ladies can no? Okay. Yeah, you can come. People can come in and turn the fans on. Thank you, man. Shukran. You say shukran? Thank you.
Beautiful, huh?
It's all the little details. Let's get the drone up and. All right. So the children are playing around there. And the girls can go up there, so maybe, Michelle, we can go up and touch. If the children are playing, surely I can. No touching. Do not touch.
Just no shoes, don't touch, don't sit.
Yeah. It does look like it's a big LED screen. Maybe someone can explain to me why this one is white. I think it's the only one that is white that I can see. From Australia. Okay. Put our shoes back on. So we've just come off the road there. There's a little mosque next to us, but we had a recommendation of a place to eat just here, but it's clearly not just here. But it was interesting, I thought, that there was this lovely green area back here. So all these people, locals, are living in what look like Queenslanders, don't they? Oh, it's like Queensland homes, up on stilts. These must be the old traditional homes. Even this little garden area is nicely kept, isn't it? Look at that view. And this mosque has been sort of swamped by the big mosque. Swallowed, should I say, by the big mosque. Don't know that there'll be much to see if we walk down here, but definitely the restaurant is not here. No, I think we're getting away. It's a really sticky evening, so we're not going to do a long walk. Let's head back to the town centre. Now, ahead of us there, that's our hotel, the Phoenix Hotel. It looks a lot more impressive than it is. It's pretty basic. In not such a good way. It's not the best hotel, but it's certainly a place to put your head down. So now we've got to cross the motorway. Thank you, man. And we're hoping it's getting to evening time and people are starting to serve some food, because Michelle and I haven't really eaten a lot today. So the girl here, she's just packing up her burger store. She said, mornings only. So what do we do then, Michelle? So we got this road a little bit further. Or we're going to end up eating 7-Eleven tonight. I don't really fancy 7-Eleven. Hi guys. It's a new supermarket? New, yes. So we'll have a little wander in this new supermarket. It's up per kilo, $7.90 a kilo. Fresh fish, ikan segar. I need a drink, Michelle. I need something cold to drink. Not too sweet either. Yeah, 100 would be nice. Should we get one each? It's not that cold. Okay, I'm not going to do a proper video in here because mango with, that sounds quite nice. Grab one of those, Michelle. Yeah, no, as well, we can try it. Let's get one from the back so we can make sure we got a reasonably cold one. I wouldn't mind just trying that to see if it's over sweet or not. I'm not going to look at the 30% juice, so no real juice. They got kiwi with basil seed and strawberry with basil seed. I do like those basil seeds. Just add a little snot sort of texture to the drink. And then more drinks here, but these are all unchilled. Quite a nice looking supermarket. It's nice and cool in here as well. Do we need anything? Thank you. Thank you. Terima kasih. Thank you. Oh, a little oversweet, but you know, it's really, try it, tell me what you think. So, what do you think, Michelle? What are you giving that out of 10?
Oh, probably about 6. It's cold. It's sweet.
You're being too generous. I'd give that a 4. It's like cordial. Would you really give that a 6? Think? Stop being camera proud.
4.
4. Okay, we found this little restaurant about maybe 10 doors down from our hotel. So this is ginger coffee. Thank you. So look, it's got fresh ginger in there. Saw it just slicing the ginger up, and if I give that a little mix just to bring the milk up. They use a sweet condensed milk, which means the coffee is always sweet. But I'm going to say that's the first time I here in Malaysia had ginger coffee.
Yes. I've not heard of ginger coffee. Ginger tea.
Yeah, I like the combination. Sounds good, particularly with the sweet. Oh, I was going to say it's delicious. It's interesting. It is delicious. I think it's delicious. No, it is delicious. Try that, Michelle. It's a very unusual flavour coffee.
I think it'll get stronger the longer you leave it.
Yeah, I'll let it steep a little because it's fresh cut ginger.
Yeah, well, that's quite nice.
It's quite nice, isn't it? In the morning, that'd be nice.
Yes. Yeah.
Iced, maybe.
Refreshing.
I like that as an idea for when we're home, actually, to make a ginger latte or something. And fresh ginger. It's a shame in Australia ginger's so expensive to buy now. Now, when we arrived, I spotted Ahmad fried chicken. So I've come here to try his chicken. Looks good. Nice looking fried chicken. We've got another piece coming. Beautiful.
Order.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Didn't make us say thank you. Beautiful. So we're going to head back to our hotel. I don't think we're going to stay a long time in this city, Michelle, because it's the grab, it's the transportation.
Yes.
We can only really walk around the hotel. It's a little bit frustrating. So Gua Musang, much as you're lovely, you've got a beautiful mosque. I think we're going to go on and go to Kuala Lipis.
Kuala Lipis.
Kuala Lipis. Kuala Lipis. I know the name once I get there. One piling in that chicken. If you like KFC, I challenge you to come here and not say this is better.